my own poem composition entitled Seashore. The sun is high, and the cumulus clouds like fluffy cotton balls are displayed in the blue sky. Those tiny waves blown by the wind and softly touches my feet. Birds flying that almost touches their wings on the water and sand are relaxing to watch. My feet can feel the soft and warm sand. Can you hold my hand as we walk and forget everything as we go? Let us just enjoy the nature, connect our spirit to the sky above, to the water and sand below, and every creature that moves along. Let our eyes say I love you without being told so. Just by looking at you, you know that I really do love you.